Good morning, students. I am Dr. Tripti Gupta from Shiv Jyoti Education Group, Kota. I hope you all must be well with your families. Today, we are going to take up Beehive Chapter 1, Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. The story here in this chapter is about an incident which happens with two kids, Margie and Tommy, in the year 2157. That means the story is from a future time where traditional school has been replaced by individualized mechanical teachers and computerized learning. Children there learn and read on computers and the screens of their mechanical teacher, that means robotic teachers. Printed books are seemingly absent and both the kids are unfamiliar about the printed books. Now this story starts with a diary note which is written by Margie. She is 11 years old girl, about the incident that Tommy found a real book. Tommy is 13 years old friend of Margie. Margie is extremely excited and shocked by the prospect of reading a real old-fashioned book. Tommy shares the book with Margie. The two children read and examine the old book together. Margie had a remembrance that her grandfather once shared with her that his grandfather used to read books printed on paper, just like the book they had found or they were reading. The book's pages are still intact and they were yellow and wrinkled, crinkly. The children are accustomed to screens that scroll through text and hold many different ebooks. So, the words printed on the book, that means the real book, those were immobile words within that printed book. They were astonishing, both of them. They wonder if the printed book is supposed to be thrown away once it has been read. That means it's of no use further. Tommy tells Margie that he found the book in his attic. Attic is a storeroom. And that it's about schools. The book describes the school. At first, Margie does not understand why anyone would write about school, because she hates school. Her mechanical teacher is too difficult for her, very challenging for her. She hates doing her homework in punch code language. Once, when Margie was going through her geography lessons, those were very challenging for her and she was not able to perform well. Her mother called the county inspector, who was responsible for the education of the students, to come to their house and assess the problem and look into what can be done. Now, Margie's mother was disheartened that her daughter was doing so poorly in school, but the county inspector, when he checked the problem, and he was compassionate and understanding, and he explained that Margie's performance is overall satisfactory and the robotic teacher's geography sector is geared too fast. That means the particular geography lessons were running at a very fast pace. That is why Margie was not able to catch the complete subject. Margie asks Tommy why anyone would write about school, And here Tommy explains to her that centuries ago the schools were extremely different from their schoolrooms. Margie is shocked to learn that in the old schools the teacher was a human and not a mechanical robot. Now this was very surprising. Margie again asks if a human knows enough to be a teacher. Was he intelligent enough to be a teacher? But Tommy concludes that his father knows just as much as any teacher. They both continued to read the book further. The children discover that in olden days, all children went to a special building that was considered to be school to study, and they learned the same thing if they were of the same age, sitting in one single class. At first, Margie doesn't understand because her mother always says that education has to be individualized for each student. That means it should be according to the needs of individual students. However, Margie and Tommy realize that the fun of the old schools was that the students got to study together with their classmates, friends, with other children from neighborhoods. Now, education at that time wasn't just about learning facts but also for social interaction and human connection, which was being absent in the case of Margie's and Tommy's education system. Margie's mother interrupts in between the children before they are done with the book because it is time for school. That means it was the school hour for them. Margie asks Tommy if she can read the book with him later on, and he responds with a maybe yes in an assertive manner. Margie goes to her schoolroom, but she is still thinking about the book, about the old school. And she was filled with curiosity, she was daydreaming and thinking about all the kids playing and laughing in the schoolyard, sitting together in this classroom, going home with their friends, with each other. After the school is over, they must be playing, must be helping each other with their homeworks and their assignments, or wherever the difficulty comes in their lessons, and the teacher who is a real live human. These all things were fascinating Margie. The mechanical teacher begins the class with an arithmetic lesson about fractions, while Margie descends further into her imaginations, fantasizing how in the old days kids must have loved school, and she wonders about all the fun the students used to have. And she concludes the students must be having the fun at that time. Thank you.